we got going on here?
We got some adventures.
You got some adventures going on, huh? What are you doing with them fancy suits on, man? You guys look like matching pair there or something. Looks like you're going skydiving. Woo! Any special occasion for going skydiving today?
No, we're just going to just
Sunday fun day?
Sunday fun day.
Sunday fun day. Hey, what a way to experience a good Sunday together. Here we go. Let's have some fun.
Thank you.
Let's get in so we can get out. That's how we slow it down. Don't slow down. Alright, you got a good grip, right? Good one, flying, man. You want to give it a turn? Give us a little left-hand turn. Oh, we're going to go right?
Oh, right.
Take a little bit of muscle. Give it a little bit. There you go. Yeah. Woo! There it is, right there in front of us, man. Give us a little left-hand turn. Bring us around left.
Controlling this thing.
Yeah. How you doing?
Absolutely wonderful.
Yeah, what was your favorite part?
First get off the plane.
You like that free fall, huh?
Around and,
woo! Going for a ride.
Upside down.
Yeah. Dude, you absolutely killed it, man. You did so good. Thank you so much for jumping with us at Skydive, Colorado Springs. Yeah. Woo!